Sarap guys. Ang sarap talaga. Sarap kumain.
Ang suka guys. Sarap.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning everything. It's 5 something. 5:11 ng umaga. Roxy, come out here. Rox. Come here, bug. Taps. Ha. Good morning. Nagising ako ginising ako ni Tami, pero ngayon lang ako bumangon. Kasi, di ba plano namin punta sa New Rochelle maaga. So, ngayon naliligo na siya. So, kagabi, nag-usap kami. And then, tinitignan namin yung app. Ulan, guys. Walang ulan ngayong araw. Wednesday. Pero, Thursday may ulan hanggang Friday morning. So kaya sabi niya, hindi na lang daw ako sasama kasi, you know, doon na lang daw siya mag-stay kasi kung pupunta siya doon ngayon, and then babalik mamayang hapon. And then, babalik dito mamayang hapon. And then, may ulan din pagka the next day. And then, babalik na naman siya doon. So, kaya ayaw niyang pabalik-balik. Kasi okay lang sana yung ulan kapag paputol-putol. Kaso lang, Thursday morning until yung ulan is continue hanggang Friday morning. Hindi na lang ako sasama. So, ako lang dito mag-isa. Mamaya hanggang Friday. But anyway guys, so good morning po. Naliligo na siya guys. 6 o'clock daw yung alis niya. Plano namin 5. Sana kami dalawa. Pero sabi niya 6 na lang ako alis. And then may appointment siya mamaya. Zoom call. May ka-zoom siya lawyer. Saka yung kapatid ni Tami. Yeah, mga 11. Tapos na siyang naligo. And dito na siya sa computer niya. Hello, computer guy. You done what you're doing last night? Whatever is that you're doing yesterday. You done? Hintay-hintay kung kailan ito aalis. It's already something o'clock, 6 something. Maaga kasi yung mga pick up na garbage. Kaya maaga siya ngayon guys dahil sa basura. And maaga yung pick up nila. Every Wednesday han early, that early or different time. But you have to be there, right? To do that thing.
Different times, but usually they're a little later than the actual garbage. So, like the actual garbage is by 8, so usually they're a little later than that. So, I'm overly concerned. But you know, my luck.
You're always in. He need to bring his laptop for the Zoom call. Do you know what?
No, it's a Zoom call or just a conference call.
It's just a phone.
Right.
Andrea doesn't told you. I thought she mentioned Zoom call.
I thought so too, but I could be wrong. Anyway.
And did she told you that some people already calling to look at the house? Seriously?
Those yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
The realtor.
Yeah. She said something, but it wasn't that somebody was looking at the house.
Few people already. She said, I don't know if it's true. She said few people already. The realtor guy, not the woman. So some people wanna look at the house and calling him. So I don't know how they did that. He's not even in the listing yet.
Yeah, well, he knows people too, but he knows people in construction, so they're gonna try and get it for nothing. And that's what she's worried about too.
Did she say that?
Yeah, but he knows people in construction, so he's supposed to be working for us, but he may do them a favor and say, "Oh, I got this great deal for you here,"
Yeah, no.
and try and screw us over.
No, you guys are not stupid. If you do that, then
No.
that's stupid. Then.
That is not happening.
No.
Of course you're not eating.
No.
And then you want to come look for treats. You're out of your freaking mind, kid.
Look at guys, he's on top of the bag. And then staring at the food. Andyan kasi yung mga pagkain nila. Look. Tingnan niya. Oh my God, this is spoiled. He's so spoiled, guys, that he won't even fit in the railing to go upstairs. Too much food. Too fat na. You cannot even go to your apartment upstairs. Yes, I know. You're closing your eyes. You're asking me for something. What is that for?
It's an old USB wire. You can't really get them anymore. So
100.
that's a trick.
Magpunta na naman ito sa Costco, guys. And we need to get something for the garden. And then the house thing, priority han. Kada alis niya guys na wala ako, magpunta yan sa Home Depot. Costco. Tigas ng ulo. Oh. What do you have in my car?
Tool bag, a brush, a wire.
Your mask, you have your own mask in your car. I told you to leave your mask in my car.
Bye, puppets. Bye, puppies.
Oh, did you have your medicine? Okay, guys. Ang ginaw, grabe. Oh yeah, give me that thing. There's a check in there. So we need to put.
Hold the crystal.
Shut the light off. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Bye, on.
I love you.
Love you too. I talk to you later.
You later, okay? Hey, drive careful, please.
I'll give it a try. Right now.
I love you, hon.
Love you too, hon.
I'm going in.
Yeah.
Do you have your brush? There's a lot of trucks out there. Dada leave us again. I know. Dada leave us again, right? Where's my Roxy? Doesn't even care. You don't even care. You don't even care. Dada left. You don't even care. Hi guys, hindi ako nakatulog. Nagluto na lang ako ng fried rice and then kumain. So ngayon punta po tayo sa basement. Gusto kong magluto ng paksiw, ng galunggong. So maghanap tayo. I think meron akong galunggong. Ito tayo sa basement. Itong asawa ko ba? So ngayon hindi na ako makaano dito. Tingnan niyo to. Hindi na, ay nako talaga. So yun, yung mga dinala niyang table. Iwan ko kung bakit nagdala pa ng table dito. Find the galunggong. Tungtong tayo dito. Tungtong. Ang hirap guys kasi ang nito, ang lalim. Ang lalim. Here you go. I found it. Ito yung laman ng freezer pala namin. Napakita ko na ba sa inyo? Sa loob. Ito yung laman niya, ha? Yan siya. And then, ito yung bread ko. And croissant. Daming hotdog. Sausages. Iba't ibang hotdog. And ano kayong andito? Bread. Basta ganun. Yan. So, yun lang yan siya. Marami. Ito, ko lang ito, defrost. I-defrost ko siya. And then, yun, lutuin natin para for dinner. Hindi na ako kakain ng lunch. Kasi kapag kakain ako ng rice ng umaga, so, yun, hindi ako nagugutom. Yung bread, ikakat ko na yung bread, guys, kasi grabe yung kain ko sa bread talaga. Tinapay. Kaplalo't umaga. Yun. Kapag magutom ako, ang ko talaga yung parang wala akong makain. Ang agad kong magpupukuha is tinapay. Katatapos ko lang naglaro at saka nag-edit, guys. Hello po sa inyo dyan. And, muntik nang walang laman. Meron mang laman, pero pinadala ko sa kanya lahat. Natawa. Natawa ako sa reaction ni Tami kasi sabi pa niya, Han, seems like you sent me the whole food in kung ano yung nasa refrigerator natin. Sabi ko, oo, because na-shock siya kasi hindi niya inakala na pinadala ko lahat ng pagkain. Kasi sabi ko, magluluto kasi ako ng isda. So, yun guys. Wala po akong ganap ngayong araw. Sana nakasama ako sa kanya. Ito talagang ulan talaga. Damay-damay talaga to ba. Amoy galunggong talaga guys. Amoy galunggong siya. So, ito siya guys. Hindi ko siya nilagyan ng tuyo guys. Ano lang siya, suka. Ang daming suka. Tubig din, madaming tubig. Kaya marami yan siya. And then oil, ginger, garlic, and onion, paminta, at asin. Yan, konting asin guys. And then mamaya, tikman-tikman na lang natin. So, ito this time, wala itong ano, as in purely, ano lang talaga ito. Yung parang legit na ano, paksiw kasi walang tuyo. So, yun. At saka para may sabaw din tayo mamaya. And then, magmukbang tayo mamaya. Do you wanna see mukbang, guys? Please, put your right foot up. So, yun na lang yung gagawin ko kasi wala naman din akong ganap ngayong araw. So, mukbang tayo. Maglista din ako, guys, kung ano yung bibilhin ko sa Home Depot. Kasi maglista ako para malaman ko para pagpunta ko doon next time. Alam natin kung ano yung dapat natin bilhin. Kasi meron akong like yung mga bato para sa palibot ng kahoy. Bato. Yun dito, no? Diba, no? Binibili mo pati bato. Yun. Doon sa Pilipinas, mag-ano ka lang ng mga bata. Hey, bayaran kita. Mag-ano ka ng bato. Hanap ka ng bato, bayaran kita. Dito, bili ng bato. Magkakwarta pa yung mga bata doon. Dito sa tindahan, mga bato, mga saging-saging. Yung mga banana, saging-saging ba? Yung parang saging na walang bunga at maliit. Pang-display daw yun sa bahay. Hindi pa din tumawag sa ala. Ba't na-blurry? Ba't blurry, guys? Yun, ba't blurry kayo? Itong camera, sobrang old na niya. 2015, I think. Itong binili ko. What's going on with your thing? Andrea?
We're talking to the lawyer, and you know he's got to get paid for it. That's really it.
OMG, ang bahay, amoy. Amoy, inununan talaga siya. Oh my God, look. Tikman ko lang siya guys ha, kasi masarap kasi itong lime talaga. Gamit na naman natin yung paa. Oh my God. Ayan. Dalawang lime po yung ilagay ko siya guys. Para talagang malasa.
Sarap guys. Ang sarap talaga. Sarap kumain. Sarap kumain.
Kain ako ng dinner early for something, it's 4:30 na ng hapon. Pero kakain po ako ng early kasi hindi ako nag-lunch, diba? And then, itong mga ito, mamaya ko na ito papakainin. So, kakain lang ako para makaligo tayo mamaya. Meron po akong ano guys. Kain po tayo guys. Meron akong suka at saka ang daming sili. Kuha tayo ng sabaw. Oops, ulo man yun. Sabaw, sabaw, sabaw. Paksiw talaga siya. I'm hungry. I don't eat lunch. Ito yung pinakamahirap sa atin. Gusto natin mag-diet. Pero ang hirap gawin. Lalo na kapag may Filipino food. Mahirap siyang gawin, ewan ko. Kasi maparami talaga yung kain mo. Lalo na pag may kasabayan ka, may kasabay kang kumain na Pilipino. Ayan. Kumakain kayo ng Filipino food. Magkamay na ako eh. Sarap. Sabi ko kay Kami, ipatry ko to sa kanya guys. Yung parang kunin ko na yung buto, hiwa-hiwalay ko na siya. Sabi ko magustuhan niya ito kapag ganun. Pero kapag kakain siya ng ganito guys, delikado guys. Mapunta tayo sa hospital niyan. Makain niyan yung buto. Hindi kasi sanay. So sabi ko, pakainin kita nito pag ano na dito ka. Ipatry natin sa kanya pero hiwa-hiwalay natin. Tapusin ko itong kanin. Kunti naman lang. Kunti daw. Tinetext ko yung asawa ko. Hindi nag-reply. Tulog ata yun. Hey, stop it, little boy! School, nakaika ha? Dinaglag niyo yung paa ko. Ang sarap ng anghang guys. Nagamit ko na yung sili na tinanim ko last year. Alam niyo yung naalala ko noon, kapag kumakain ka ng isda na dubok, yung sira diba? Parang sira na siya. Pero may iba kasi, katulad namin noon, may iba kasi doon sa talingkinan. Ha! Ina! Na nagtitinda pa rin sila. Ng mga, ganun, pero mura. Pero mura lang siya. Dahil, ano, hindi na siya sobrang presko, yung pula na siya ba? Naalala ko noon kapag kumain ka ng ganun. Manghang guys, kapag kumain ka ng ganun, namumula yung mukha mo, hindi nangangat eh. Stop! Thank you guys. Nabusog ako. Ako lang guys. Suka. Manghang na suka guys. Sarap. Hindi yung suka yung masarap. Yung anghang. Thank you guys.
Hi guys! So tapos na po tayo naligo. Priskong-prisko na talaga. As in, fresh na fresh ka talaga. Sakit yung tuhod ko. Uy, grabe. Yung tuhod ko, iwan ko, kada upo ko ba? Kada upo ko, yung knee ko is always folded. I'm used to that. Oh, dito pala yung cellphone ko. Hinahanap ko ito kanina lang. Andito siya. Nag-edit kasi ako. Basa yung buko. Naalala ko, oh, patay. Basa pala itong buko. Sabi ko, I have to dry it kasi matutulog tayo mamaya. Basa ito, diba? So, yun. I'm used to folding my knee, guys. Every time I sit down, my knee is always folded. So, now, uy, kayo, mostly ng viewers ko naman pala dito is, ano na siya, nasa mga 30 above, yung viewers ko. Mga 50, ganun. And kayo, every time you sit down, guys, don't fold your, your knee. Kasi talaga, ang apekto is, sa mga susunod na mga, yung mga few years later, yung knee mo is sasakit talaga. As in, guys, totoong-totoo yan. Sabi pa ni Tami noon, I'm used to fold my knee forever and doesn't hurt. So now, every time I fold my knee for a few minutes, I can't even bend it. I can't even straight it back. It's like, I'm struggling. I'm old, guys. Yun guys, i-end ko na tong vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching ha. Salamat guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. And yun, so tayo lang dito. And so yun, stay na lang ako dito. And hindi na lang natin siya puntahan doon. And anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye guys. Good night.